Alright, now everything is set for the final process. We want to couple it right now. Everything has been rubbed gum. We want to couple it right now. And this is the second batch. This is the second section coming up very soon also. Go. If I cut this thing, just press and cut on. Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. Let's... Are you ready? Go. Alright guys, now we are done with the palm. You can see this is the large size. This is the one I showed you at the beginning of this video. This is one I showed you. This is the size 40, 41. Now this is the size 44, 45. We are done with it. We are done with it, as you can see. And we also have a smaller size. And we also have an ongoing one here that is the next one I'll be doing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow my page. Follow KDPKRAFT. Make sure you follow KDPKRAFT and follow KDPKRAFT on subscribe to my YouTube channel, KDPKRAFT on YouTube, so that you always get our tips, valuable tips here as we forge ahead. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, please.